Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an extraordinary topic that is sure to blow your mind. We're diving deep into the fascinating realm of astrophysics and the mind-boggling discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is a large space-based observatory that is set to be one of the most powerful telescopes ever built. It is named after James E. Webb, who served as the administrator of NASA from 1961 to 1968. The telescope is a joint project of NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA. The main objectives of the JWST are to study the formation of stars and galaxies, the evolution of galaxies, the formation of planetary systems, and the potential for life on exoplanets. It will provide insights into the early universe, allowing scientists to see the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. The James Webb Space Telescope has detected what appear to be 6 massive ancient galaxies, which astronomers are calling universe breakers, because their existence could upend current theories of cosmology. The objects date to a time when the universe was just 3% of its current age, and are far larger than was presumed possible for galaxies so early after the Big Bang. If confirmed, the findings would call into question scientists' understanding of how the earliest galaxies formed. The scientists expected only to find tiny, young, baby galaxies at this point in time. But they discovered galaxies as mature as our own, in what was previously understood to be the dawn of the universe. The observations come from the first dataset released from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, which is equipped with infrared sensing instruments capable of detecting light emitted by the most ancient stars and galaxies. Redness in astronomy is a proxy for age because as light travels across the expanding universe, it is stretched out, or red-shifted. These galaxies appeared to be roughly 13.5 billion years old, placing them about 700 million years after the Big Bang. These would not be the oldest galaxies observed by James Webb, which launched in December 2021. Last year, scientists spotted 4 galaxies that date to about 350 million years after the Big Bang, but these were far smaller. Calculations suggest the latest galaxies harbored tens to hundreds of billions of sun-sized stars worth of mass, putting them on par with the Milky Way. Explaining the existence of such massive galaxies close to the dawn of time would require scientists to revisit either some basic rules of cosmology or the understanding of how the first galaxies were seeded from small clouds of stars and dust. This discovery is so unexpected that it actually creates problems for science. Existing models suggest that after a period of rapid expansion, the universe spent a few hundred million years cooling down enough for gas to coalesce and collapse into the first stars and galaxies began to form, a period known as the Dark Ages. The discovery of such massive galaxies so soon after the Big Bang suggests that the Dark Ages may not have been so dark after all, and that the universe may have been awash with star formation far earlier than we thought. Further observations would be required to confirm the discovery before existing models could be abandoned. The team is planning to obtain spectrum images, which can provide more accurate distance information and allow better estimates of mass. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others.